Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a Paystack payment page for your product, just in case you want to be selling stuffs online and you want to be receiving payments using Paystack. For you to do that is very simple, and I'm going to show you in a few steps. So please make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end and don't skip any part, because you might be missing a very important information if you skip any part. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. And also, before I get into the video, kindly do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss all of the values that we share on this channel. So quickly, let's get into the video. So what I'm going to do right now is to go to my Google Chrome. All right, just follow me. I'll go to my Google Chrome. If you don't have Paystack, you need to register and sign up on Paystack. So let me just look for Paystack here. I'll say Paystack. Let me just look for Paystack here. Okay, just in case you don't know, Paystack is a payment gateway that you can use to receive payments from anywhere in Africa. Okay, so it allows you to make payments with your debit card, your credit card, through transfer and different methods, including USSD. So if you want to be selling stuff online and maybe you don't have your website yet, you can actually be using Paystack for now. So we'll click on this login because we want to log into our account. Normally you should have signed up for you to be able to get access here. All right, you should have signed up to this Paystack page. So make sure that you go to paystack.com and sign up, all right, before you can get access to come and log in. So let's wait for this to load. Once it loads, then I'll go ahead and show you how you can set up your payment page. So let's wait for it to load. So as you can see right now, the page has been loaded. Now we have to log in our details, our emails and password, so that we can get into the dashboard and I show you everything. So I'm going to log in with my email here. Okay, and could not log in. Let me do it again. It will send me a code. Okay, it will send me a code, and it's that code I'm going to put in here. So let me wait and check if the code will be sent to my email. Let me wait for the code. Good, I think the code has been sent to my email. Let me just check my email and get the code. Fantastic. So we have the code here already, so I'll just copy it and go back to my Paystack account and insert the code here. So we paste it and we log in. So once we log in, let's wait for it. This is good. So this is my dashboard that you are seeing right here. Okay, this is my dashboard that you are seeing right here. You can see everything showing here. All right, this is my dashboard. You can see I'm in the desktop mode. Let me see if I can change this to smartphone mode. So I'll just switch to the okay. So let's just scroll. I'll zoom it in. So you come to the top left hand side, you click on these three lines that you see here. Click on it. It's going to bring a drop down for us. So we scroll now down to where we see payment pages. All right, remember we are creating a payment page for your products. Let's say you want to sell a physical product or a digital product and you want to collect payments online. So we come here and click on payment pages. We click on payment pages. All right, wait for it to load. As you can see here, it's saying easiest way to accept payment: simply create a page, share the link to your customers and start accepting payment. So what we'll do now is to click on new page. Click on new page. Do you want to do one-time payments, or do you want to be doing subscription payment, or you want to do product payment? You're going to make a choice. but for now, for the sake of this video, we are going to say one-time payment. We'll choose one-time payment. So once you choose that, now we start filling this form. What is the name of the page? Let's say maybe you're selling shoes. You come here now and type shoes. Okay, shoes payments. You can say shoes payments. All right, now you need to add description. This is optional. Okay, you can decide to add description, but for now I will not do that. And then now you come here, drag files here, or click to upload. If you have images of a shoe that you sell or any product that you sell, you click here and it will be uploaded, but I won't do that. Now you can now choose, I want fixed payment amount on this page, or I want to collect phone numbers on this page. You pick one, and then you also pick whatever the fixed payment you want to insert there. You put it there. If it's 10,000 naira, you put it. If it's 50,000 naira, put it. However the amount is, you put it. I want to collect numbers on this page. You click on that too. So you will have to insert numbers and all of the details, but you come here now, show advanced options. You click on advanced options. Are you seeing this now? So if you have, let's say, a website, you can add it here to this place that says use your custom link. Now redirect after payment. If they make payment and you want to direct them to a website, where do you direct them to? You get the link and you put it inside this place. Now success message. What is the message you want them to see after they've made payments? For some, it's going to be congratulations, you have just made payment. For some, it's going to be thank you for making your payment, and whatever you want to put, you can insert the kind of message you want there depending on you. So send notification to. Where do you want to send messages to? If provided, this email address will get transaction notice. That is, you want to be sure that people have paid, so you also want to receive a message, so you are going to put your email there. Okay, now forget about all these split payments or sub accounts or split group. Forget about all those things. Once you are done with that, you click on create. Once you click on create, your page will be created and the link will be generated for you. All right, a link will be generated for you. It is that link now you will carry and send to your clients, the person that wants to pay you. That's the link you will send to them. So once they see that link and they want to make payments, they are going to click on that link and it will open a form for them to fill and make payments with their cards. Are you getting it now? So this is exactly how you create a payment page on Paystack. If you want to learn how to build a website for your business, or you want to really learn more about using Paystack, or you want to learn how you can make money online, or you have questions for me concerning anything I have just discussed on this video, please do well to send me a message. All right, and do not forget to check the link in the description. I'll drop links to more details about what I do. That is all I'll take for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.